GoPro Protective Housing. Welcome back to the channel, Scott's Reviews. So let's talk about this housing real quick. Protective housing from GoPro for the Mission 1 Pro. What's great about this thing is right there. We have two connection points, one for horizontal and one for vertical video. But as you see what I got going on here, I added a light to it. So it makes it a lot easier for diving to add a light right to the case without having to buy another piece on top of the protective case. So that's my setup right now for diving, which is working out great. Also comes with a protective skeleton in case you're doing like adventure stuff on the side of a car where you're running around and getting rocks and stuff thrown up on top of it. That's your option there, to use that protective skeleton to get better audio and then also to be able to swipe through the screen for the menu system. So that's cool. 196 feet is what it gives you extra. Only like $30 if you're a subscriber. I think it's 60 if you're not a subscriber, or you can find it somewhere else. But links are down below. I did test it out again for 24 hours. I thought I lost it. I left it in the quarry for about a whole night. Came back the next day, dove for it, and found it. So it was all good to go, all safe. And yeah, didn't mean to test it that way, but it happened. Let's take a look at some of the video I got from it and enjoy. See you next one. All right, so to give you some story on this, I had basically thought I connected it back to my BC, but I didn't, and it fell off onto this platform. Very lucky. And it basically stayed there all night, so 24 hours roughly. I did record 44 minutes, so I was recording when I dropped it. And this is the only thing I really caught from the video is this fish. So.
Take myself out on a date and buy a million bouquets. Do the things you always say.